Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video. With today, we're doing an honest Johnny Plus question day. That was fast. We got to slap a like for that. And we're giving an honest Johnny Plus question day, like I said. 10.5, 11.5, 11. I have 12. I'm not sure what I'm going to name it. You already read the title, so yeah. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, but maybe I'm going to after. Okay. Alright. Again, don't mind this. This is my ugly old hair right now, because I got it cut. And it's way too short. So I'm just waiting for it to grow back, probably in a week or two by the time you see the, but, whoa. By the time the next few videos come out, you'll be back to normal, hopefully at least. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, me again. Alright, don't go rage, don't leave this video. But next part is going to be me showing you my product, like how much product I get. And it's a good amount. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so the next part, like I said, it's gonna be the product stuff. If you don't want to know about it, if you don't really care, you don't want to see me open the box, get the money out, which I do understand. It's all good. Don't take offense or anything. I'm not taking it offensive or anything. But just skip like 2 or 3 minutes. Just go through with your finger, and you'll find the collection. So yeah, let's get right back into it. So I just got some product. I got one family favorite. These were $2 off the regular price. I got these Hershey Nuggets. These were all $2 off. Yeah, no, I think these are normal price. These are $2 off. These two from Costco. This one's from BG. Also, BG. So I'm gonna return those two. And I was supposed to get 2 Mars bars. You know, the one that have the Milky Way and Twix, the Snickers, stuff like that. But my mom got the wrong one. She got the 60 count one. She got 2 of those. And she used the coupon, so I did get $3 from her. So this is what it is, you know. But now I have to get 2 Mars bars for the collection, which I have to do today or the Friday or Saturday, which is tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Also got some 2 blow pops, and for my gumballs, ordered these from BJ's. I ordered them actually, and they shipped them to my house because I couldn't go. And it was free shipping because I'm a member. So it works out, but, you know, it's take a little longer, but it came a week before it was supposed to. It was supposed to come on January 2nd. Today is the 27th. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it's the 27th, so that's cool. So I have to tell you what, I got this really big, box. Shout out to Jamie from Farnsworthy Vending. He used to do this when he used to do on unboxes. He takes all of his candies, pours them into one bucket, and then, you know, like, does it like that, if you know what I mean. And then put the blow pops, and I got some candy canes too in there. Yeah. That's how it's going to be working from now on. And a couple that we're doing a collection will be like for you, so let's roll it. Bigger bucket. I still didn't put these things in, and the 2 packs of Mars bars, so. Trash cans maybe. Jamie from Farnsworthy Vending was using trash cans. I thought, because I only do 10 boxes, he does, I don't know, he did like 100 or something. More than that, I think. So, lots of candy. But, we'll see how it goes, I guess. But, because you can watch me pour in the Hershey Nuggets. These are my new products. My Hershey Nuggets, I've never done them before in any of my boxes yet. So this collection may be the first one. Taking some scissors right here. Taking it like this. Opening it up. Boom. Simple, easy, and then just like pour it in. Kind of satisfying. And man, that smells good. Oh, you actually would have smelled that chocolate, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep tonight. So I'm just gonna mix it up and I'll be right back. This thing, hopefully it doesn't fall. It's pretty heavy. Hopefully it doesn't fall. And I might keep one of these and return just one of them because I don't know how good these things are. But my boy Josh in the Inner Circle and the Vending Nation Facebook group, you guys can go join that group. It's called Vending Nation on Facebook. I just got Facebook just because of that, so you can follow me on there too. I'll be adding a link in the description, and yeah, so that's pretty cool. And don't forget to join the Inner Circle, guys. Inner Circle with Brian Lou. It's pretty cool. I'm in there. He let me in there. it's a pretty fun time. We meet every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's pretty cool. But yeah, hopefully these things sell really good, and so I can keep posting them. Maybe if it does really good, but probably doesn't. But you know, let's roll me putting the blow pops right there inside here. There's a big old bag right here from Microsoft. I think this might be a better thing for the blow pops, not for the chocolate, because when I pour with the chocolates, it will fall over the place. So, you know, I got 2 packs, so I think I'm gonna need to be doing something like that. And I'm gonna try to be pushing out my collections to 4-week collections by a tip from Josh again. He filled his boxes to the brim. I was like, I should be doing that too, and make my collections. First, I'm gonna try a month, which is like 3-4 weeks, and then I'm gonna see if it lasts 4 weeks or not. I'm gonna try 3 weeks and 4 weeks, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna be putting double the amount of blow pops and just a little bit more chocolate, so I got a lot of more product here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just convert it into this Microsoft bag right here. And I'm just gonna like put this down like here. Put this orange bag in there. And like that. So boom. I used to use the back of my coins with it and like money, but then I had to like separate them, so now I use these little baggies right here. There's a video on my channel called How to Save Time During Your Collections. That'll be in the link in the description too. It's a really good idea to save time during your collections. If you're doing it on a smaller scale. If you're doing a bigger scale, it'll still work, but not as efficiently. So let's open this crap up.
It's easy because I don't keep opening things on my collection. I can just put them over bag. Just to make it easier, I guess. So, let's take this. Throw it like this. So you don't know organize the way I'm doing this thing. That's a lot of blow pops. That's a whole lot of blow pops. Yeah, I'm definitely sure. Definitely. Good idea for me. That's a lot of blow pops. I'm going to boxes now. Maybe the acrylic boxes, the one that are clear, basically. Throw 100 more in here real quick. Nice to have you in. So you should comment out anything you want to tell me, or questions, whatever the heck it may be. And don't make sure the video is here. We're trying to get into the business. Don't forget, do all that stuff. There's no jail. Let's dump all this stuff in here. That's fun. That's heavy now. Oh, that's redder than I thought. Right, almost 300 blow pops and some candy canes and stuff. Right here. Whoa, hopefully the bag's right now.
You see what I mean? It's pretty ugly. And I'm not always trying to do it right now because I'm pretty lazy, but now the real video's about to start where I do go into the collection. So enjoy. 4-week collection here. My box right there, as you can see, hopefully. Custable, sandwich, steak, pizza shop, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me. I'm gonna go refill the box and take it. See what I mean? 4-week collection. Sunlight, salon, owl, sea, nails, and spa. 4-week collection here. Hopefully everything's gone. Because these side things have compared to boxes and they'll do really good. I'm just gonna go refill the box. Alright, not bad. For a 2-week collection, but this is the 4-week collection, so better than the last one, so I guess I'll do. Okay, so the reason I keep saying see what I mean and like stuff like that, because this is the continuation of on my last collection day, but you know, I'm splitting it up now, because you know, it's way too long to put it in one video, because the way I'm doing it now. So don't mind that. Next time it will be, you know, more normalish, if you know what I mean. And those two places before are not my best locations. My better ones are coming up. So yeah, let's get right back into it. And I know you guys want to. Thank you. I'm gonna go refill the box. I'm gonna go refill the box. Thank you.
See you.
Alright, thank you.
I did it so people couldn't see it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
There we go. Finally, something good out of this place. So, these people here have changed their store name. First it was La Pizza di Caruso. Now it's that thing. Thank you.
Take your time.
Thank you. Boston. Let's go. I'll be right back. Yeah. I'll be and go check everything out real quick. Flip. I just used all my dang product. Flip. I used all my product. I was all empty and I go, what am I supposed to do now? What the hell am I supposed to do now, bro? What am I doing? What do I need to do now? I'm so confused. Alright, so this time increase my money. There we go. Alright, that's it. I'm sorry. There's not a lot of collections. But, you know, next time I'll be splitting it 5 and 5. So it'll be even. And they'll be around 10-minute long videos. 10 to like 13 minutes max-ish. And I'm not really feeling that good today. So, and I had to go take a test in the morning for, you know, I'm in 8th grade going to high school. I take some tests to try to get into high school. That's good. So yeah, I did that. It was like 4 hours long. And I'm really tired and lazy right now. So I don't mind editing on this video. I'll be back to normal next week. Don't forget to slap a like on the video, subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, comment, and share the video. And see you guys next one. Peace. That was pretty good. Go leave a like for that. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'll see you guys next one. Peace. Peace.